Welcome to our discussion on Pillsbury sugar-free cake mix. Today, we will explore the use of artificial sweeteners and their effects on gut health, especially for individuals with diabetes. Pillsbury sugar-free cake mix offers a convenient option for those who want to enjoy a sweet treat without the added sugar. This product is designed with artificial sweeteners like sucralose and acesulfame potassium. These ingredients help create a sweet flavor without raising blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes, managing sugar intake is crucial. Traditional cake mixes can lead to spikes in blood sugar. In contrast, sugar-free options like this one can be a better choice. However, it is essential to understand how artificial sweeteners affect the body. Artificial sweeteners are often much sweeter than regular sugar. This means that only a small amount is needed to achieve the desired sweetness. While this can be beneficial for those watching their sugar intake, some research suggests that these sweeteners may impact gut health. The gut is home to trillions of bacteria known as the gut microbiome. This microbiome plays a vital role in digestion and overall health. Some studies have indicated that artificial sweeteners can alter the composition of gut bacteria. Changes in the gut microbiome may lead to digestive issues and affect metabolic health. For individuals with diabetes, maintaining a healthy gut is important. A balanced gut microbiome can help with digestion and may even support better blood sugar control. Therefore, it is essential to consider how sugar substitutes like those in Pillsbury sugar-free cake mix may influence gut health. While some people tolerate artificial sweeteners well, others may experience discomfort. Symptoms can include gas, bloating, and changes in bowel habits. If you are trying this cake mix for the first time, it may be wise to start with a small serving. This allows you to see how your body reacts. Nutrition is a key factor for those with diabetes. It is not just about sugar and carbohydrates. The quality of ingredients and their effects on the body are equally important. So, while Pillsbury sugar-free cake mix provides a lower sugar alternative, consider the overall nutritional profile. When enjoying any cake mix, it is also helpful to add nutritious ingredients. For example, you might consider adding fruits or nuts to enhance flavor and nutrition. This can create a more balanced dessert, providing added fiber and vitamins. Many people enjoy baking as a fun and rewarding activity. Using a sugar-free mix can help satisfy sweet cravings without compromising dietary goals. It allows for creativity in the kitchen while still being mindful of health. If you are exploring sugar-free options, it is essential to read labels carefully. Not all sugar-free products are created equal. Look for those with fewer artificial ingredients and a better nutritional balance. In conclusion, Pillsbury sugar-free cake mix offers a way to enjoy desserts without the added sugar. However, it is essential to be aware of the potential effects of artificial sweeteners on gut health. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have diabetes or any health concerns, consider consulting with a healthcare professional. They can help guide you in making informed choices about your diet and the products you consume. Thank you for your time watching this. Like and subscribe for future content.